What's up, guys? It's Punish Pranks. My brother's playing his video games, and he hates it when he gets interrupted while playing his game called Zombies. So let's see what happens. And I've got a spare remote. I'm gonna press the home button, which pauses the game, and get really mad.
Camera. I'm gonna break this. 1, 2. Dad!
Okay.
Dad! He messed my game up! And you're done! You're done!
Let go of the camera. No, listen, let go of my camera.
You're done!
What? I am.
He's messing up my game!
No, I'm not.